Okay, so I got here the No Straight Roads Collector's Edition. First things first, let me unwrap the plastic. So I don't really know too much about this game. I don't know if I will enjoy it or not, but either way, I really like the contents and idea of this game and collector's edition. I've seen the trailers and gameplay footage, and I'm pretty sure even if this game isn't as good as it may seem, it should still be decent enough. So I figured it's not that much of a risk to splurge on the collector's edition. Lead the musical revolution and fight for your right to rock in an all-new action adventure. Hijack concerts, defeat musical megastars, and use the power of rock to take back Vinyl City from a corrupt EDM empire. This is a funny story idea where EDM took over the city and your rockers trying to fight back and bring rock back to society. I love EDM and rock as well. I'm actually more of an EDM fan if I had to choose though, but I still think this would be fun and I think it's a funny idea. So this box is basically the size of a vinyl record because it does come with a vinyl record. And I just want to mention that the NSR No Straight Roads here is actually sticking out. You can actually feel it. So behind the box it's just plain blue. And here we have the first thing is the vinyl record. Bunkbed Junction. So I'm assuming this is the soundtrack of the game. Side A, side B. So it's double-sided vinyl record. So inside comes with a blank yellow protector to hold the record. It's a standard black record. Bunkbed Junction. Bunkbed Junction. So this is side A. You could see all the grooves. And this is side B. Now, this collector's edition does not come with a actual CD, only this vinyl record, which I think plays to the message of the game, where you want to be like old school, original rock style music recorded on records. Fortunately, I can pop this in my record player. Oh wait, no, I don't have a record player. Next, we have a very nice and wide art book. Wow. I will go through this art book at the end of the video. It is essentially almost the same size as the record. It comes with this little sponge to hold the art book in place. PS4. Oh wait, actually this is just a cover. Oh yeah, drumsticks. Forgot about that. So this is just a cardboard sheet to make it look nice. Here's the actual game of No Straight Roads. Funky as heck. Oh, so here it comes with a code for a digital version of the mini soundtrack. I am going to assume it's the same soundtrack that comes in the record, and it's a Bandcamp code. So I'm actually going to use this. And then inside the end here we have the drumsticks inside this nicely made foam backing. I don't know if these are considered good quality drumsticks or not, but either way I'm not going to be using them. I'm just going to be holding them as a collector's item. Indie Game Studios. And it says No Straight Roads NSR on the sticks themselves. You can technically play with the sticks on the sponge if you don't want to damage the sticks. Using these sticks on an actual drum set would actually like slowly destroy them. I think these are really cool. So let's put the drumsticks back in. And so here the standard game disc. I think most people will probably just get this game digitally. It does not come with a manual, but games usually don't nowadays. And unfortunately, this digital soundtrack is just a bit too long, so it doesn't really fit in the game case nicely. I guess you could do that. Putting everything back into the box. I really like this display. They went the extra mile. Just adding this piece of paper just really makes it look nice. So let's finish off the video by taking a closer look at the art book. Wow. No straight roads. So the story is Mayday and Zook, two aspiring artists of an indie band Bunkbed, Junction. They dream of bringing back rock to the main stage of Vinyl City. So here's Mayday is the girl. And Zook is the boy. The concept arts and final arts of the characters. Mother. So I guess these are going to be the bosses. Tatiana. DJ Subatomic Supernova. That is a wicked name. He deals with the planets. We've got Eve. Neon J. This is a pretty one. Sayu? Sayu? Basically a mermaid. Looks like she sings. Then we have Remy and Dodo, Sofa and Tilla. I have no idea who any or what any of this is because I've not played the game yet. DK West. So this is a map of Vinyl City. That's funny, it's actually shaped like a vinyl record. Thus the name Vinyl City. A bunch of NPC characters. Ah! Whether or not this game's actually good, I love the artwork. This art book, to me, is worth more than half of this collector's edition. Wow, look at this. This is just great. And like the back here. So that is it. That is No Straight Roads, a collector's edition. It's also on the Switch and Xbox One. This is a simple collector's edition, but it does not lack in aesthetics and presentation. So I'm really excited to try this game out. So if you liked the video or you found it useful, give me a thumbs up, comment, subscribe. I'll try to answer any questions you have. Other than that, thanks for watching.